Pushpin serving grounds of arrest in writing. Calendar # 21st of February 2025. Tags: Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 BNSS Ravinder vs State of Haryana. White checkmark Y in news. In Ravinder vs State of Haryana 2025, the Punjab and Haryana High Court, per Justice Jasjit Singh Bedi, reaffirmed the Supreme Court's ruling in Pankaj Bansal vs Union of India 2023, holding that written grounds of arrest must now be served to the arrestee, a requirement applicable prospectively from the 3rd of October 2023. Scales # key judgments referenced. Pankaj Bansal 2023 mandated written grounds of arrest. Oral communication is not sufficient. Ram Kishore Arora 2024 clarified prospective application of the rule. Prabhupakayostha 2024 affirmed both above decisions. #Scales # court's observation in Ravinder's case. Petitioner arrested on the 24th of February 2022, so not entitled to benefit under Pankaj Bansal ruling. Bail denied due to strong evidence and role attributed, blunt force injuries corroborated by postmortem and CCTV. Distinguished from co-accused who got bail. Scroll legal basis. Article 22, 1, Constitution of India, right to be informed of grounds of arrest. BNSS Section 35, replacing CRPC 41 and 41A, procedure for arrest and notice. Supreme Court stand, written grounds prevent future disputes, ensure accountability, and protect fundamental rights. Left-pointing magnifying glass important takeaway. Black right arrow # from the 3rd of October 2023 onward, written grounds of arrest must be provided to every arrestee, a constitutional requirement ensuring transparency and fairness in criminal procedure.
CRPC and BNSS, serving grounds of arrest and notice for appearance. Under the Code of Criminal Procedure, CRPC. Section 41 deals with the grounds of arrest. Section 41A provides for notice of appearance before a police officer in cases where arrest may not be necessary. In contrast, under the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, 2023, BNSS, both these provisions have been combined under Section 35. Additionally, Section 35(7) introduces a new safeguard. Squared new key addition in Section 35(7) BNSS. It lays down that no arrest shall be made without prior approval from an officer not below the rank of Deputy Superintendent of Police in the following cases: where the offence is punishable with less than 3 years, and where the person to be arrested is infirm or above 60 years of age. This new provision enhances procedural safeguards and aims to protect vulnerable individuals from unnecessary arrests in minor offences. Justices B.R. Gavai and Sandeep Mehta grant relief to Prabir Purkayastha. Police must provide written grounds of arrest, rules Supreme Court. In a landmark ruling, the Supreme Court held that arrested individuals must be given written grounds of arrest, not just informed orally. The decision came in the case of NewsClick founder Prabir Purkayastha, whose arrest and remand were declared illegal due to this lapse. Justices B.R. Gavai and Sandeep Mehta emphasized that Article 22, 1, of the Constitution mandates prompt communication of arrest grounds. They also clarified the difference between grounds of arrest, specific allegations, and reasons of arrest, legal justification. This judgment builds on the 2023 Pankaj Bansal precedent and marks a significant step toward ensuring due process, transparency, and accountability in arrests across India.